Welcome back. Today, we're going to show you how to restore the classic right-click menu in Windows 11. First, type CMD in the search box and select Run as Administrator in the command prompt window. Enter the following command. This command will add a registry entry needed to restore the classic menu. Next, you need to close the Windows Explorer process. In command prompt, type taskil f-im-explorer.x. Restart Windows Explorer by typing start-explorer.x. And there you go. The classic right-click menu should now be restored. If you ever want to switch back to the new Windows 11 menu, just run this command. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.